Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data on your iPhone. First, let's dive into monitoring your data consumption. You can easily track your usage directly from your iPhone settings, giving you a clear picture of where your data goes. This helps you stay within your plan's limits, avoiding unexpected charges. We'll also explore how to identify data-hungry applications and adjust their settings for better efficiency. To monitor your data, open the Settings app and tap on Cellular or Mobile Data. Here, you'll see a detailed breakdown of your current period's data usage, often measured in gigabytes. Scroll down to see which individual apps are consuming the most. It's a good practice to reset these statistics at the beginning of each billing cycle to get an accurate understanding of your monthly consumption. To optimize your data, you can disable cellular data for apps you don't need accessing the internet when not on Wi-Fi. Simply toggle off the switch next to the app in the cellular settings. Additionally, enabling low data mode can significantly reduce background network activity for all apps. Be mindful of Wi-Fi assist. While helpful, it can switch to cellular data if your Wi-Fi signal is weak, potentially using more data than anticipated. For advanced data saving, always download large files, videos, and music over Wi-Fi for offline enjoyment. Consider adjusting the streaming quality in your video and music apps to a lower setting when using cellular data. This can save hundreds of megabytes. Finally, turn off background app refresh for apps that don't require constant updates, as this can silently consume data even when you're not actively using them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.